What is going on, guys? This is our high velocity while loop program. It's a special while loop that shoots like billions of while loops, billions of statements in a second, billions of print statements in a second. We're gonna measure how fast it is. There's a special while loop. It's a Python programming project you can do for beginner and advanced alike. Meant for upgrading, improving, developing, modifying, and it's also hardware ready. Here's the script. Press pause and copy the video. Press pause on the video and copy the prayers down. Type the prayers down. Let's check this high velocity prayer out. Running. No, it's not running yet. Bless all. Alright, now it's running. I'm going to see how many times I said it. Holy heck, that's a lot. Total prayers said 10 something. I don't even know what that number is. Check it again. 37 this time. Check it again. Amazing. You need to be all caught up in our molecular physics theory. This while loop has our molecular physics theory under the hood. It applies our molecular physics theory under the hood, basically. That's why it's so fast. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the demonstration. We'll see you guys next time.